Hi, welcome back to Community Kitchen Teachables. My name is Anna and I am your host of Teachables, and I work for Community Kitchen running a program called Calgary's Cooking. How do you clean a scorched pot? What a lot of people will tend to do is take an SOS pad and they'll just add a little bit of water to their pot and then they'll just scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub. Sometimes your scorched pot might need a little bit more encouragement than that. You can add a little bit of water to your pot and then you can put it on the stove and let the water come to a boil. The actual agitation of the water coming to a boil will tend to lift up the scorched food product at the bottom of your pot or your pan. Sometimes people like to add things like baking soda to it. You can certainly try that if you want. However, there are times where maybe you have scorched the pot so bad or you've burned the food so bad that it doesn't matter that any amount of scrubbing or boiling water in the pot would work. Usually that happens with a pot or a pan that is made of very inferior material, and at that point I would just throw the pot out and get yourself a new one. Trust me, you'll save yourself time and agitation. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you would like to see more videos of content just like this, please click our subscribe button on Teachables. Thank you very much and have a great day.